Hey guys, the next major question is why do people buy NFTs, like why do they have any value? The quick answer is to that question is that the value of an NFT equals verified ownership plus utility plus scarcity plus ownership. To understand, if you had a painting of the same picture, you know that you would know that you own it because, well, it's in a picture frame hanging inside your house, and you can say, hey, this is my picture, it's in my house, I own it. But on the internet, it's very difficult to show that you own something like the original version of the same picture. So, verified ownership via the blockchain is one of the main reasons that people buy NFTs. Thank you guys for watching this course. I hope you enjoy it, and I make it simple as I can. And yeah, thank you so much.